Hello and welcome to this video on a 10-minute morning routine for energy and productivity. Do you ever find yourself waking up feeling groggy and unmotivated? Well, with this simple routine, you can set yourself up for a productive and energized day ahead. Let's get started. Step 1. Hydrate. The first thing you want to do when you wake up is to hydrate your body. Drink a glass of water or two to replenish the fluids you lost during the night. This will also help jumpstart your metabolism and improve digestion. Step 2. Stretch. Next, it's time to stretch your body. Take a few minutes to stretch your arms, legs, and back. This will help increase blood flow to your muscles, reducing tension and stiffness. You can also try some yoga poses or simple stretches to increase flexibility. Step 3. Meditate. Meditation can help you calm your mind and reduce stress. Take a few minutes to sit in a quiet place and focus on your breath. You can also try guided meditations or use an app to help you get started. Step 4. Exercise. Exercise is a great way to boost energy and productivity. You don't have to do an intense workout. Even a simple 10-minute walk or jog can do wonders for your physical and mental health. Step 5. Plan your day. Before starting your workday, take a few minutes to plan out your day. Write down your goals and tasks for the day, and prioritize them based on their importance. This will help you stay focused and avoid feeling overwhelmed. And there you have it, a simple 10-minute morning routine that can set you up for a productive and energized day ahead. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to improve your daily routine.